been through every holiday with us. Where are we gonna take pictures now? Why do I have to vlog you?
I walked into the bar.
You know that saying it's like brushing your teeth while eating Oreos? Mm-hmm. Afternoon, guys. So we are headed into Dubuque to get the kids, and we have to help Matt's mom get rid of a couch that she has.
Gotta put it in a trailer until Tuesday, and then the couch.
It's coming to our house because T threw a fit. She wanted this couch saved. This was Grandma's couch. You should have heard her. She's in the back seat, and she's like, it's been through every holiday with us. Where are we gonna take pictures now for Christmas? She was freaking out. So it's going to our toy room because Grandma's getting rid of it and getting a new couch.
And apparently, they just couldn't live without this couch.
I didn't want this couch, but T had to have this couch. She had to have Grandma's couch and save it. So, Matt and Aspen. Hi, Aspen.
And there's snow.
Are you waiting for the snow?
Yeah, and is it going to snow? Is it going to stay?
I don't know.
If it was snowing, then Christmas was going to come up.
So this is why we're waiting for the
And
snow,
we're going to
because
get
of Christmas.
huge relays with, oh, I want AJ too.
Yeah, so he is
I
in
want
love with, what's the
AJ.
cartoon he's in love with?
Blaze and the Monster Machines.
Yeah,
Daddy!
and this is all he talks about
Daddy!
anymore is Blaze and the Monster Machine.
Daddy!
Why?
Can you give me AJ too?
Oh, I don't know.
And huge. And huge. I have already huge pickle. I want huge. Crusher.
Huge Crusher. Yeah, so he is in love with, not Paw Patrol, Blaze. But he likes
No,
Paw
I
Patrol
love-
too.
Yeah, I love Paw Patrol. Can you give me that?
You would love every cartoon that you have, wouldn't you?
And he loves Peppa Pig.
He never used to it, now he does. So this is what's been going on in the car, discussions about Crusher and Blaze and Paw Patrol and Peppa Pig and
That's because
for Brother George.
Of the Blaze, he turned into a shark, Mom.
yeah, they watch this together every night, you guys.
He became a king of the animal kingdom.
Why do I have to vlog you? Because you're sleeping? I don't think you're sleeping yet. Now you are? You have cookies and bananas on you. And clay in your fingers. Yeah. Yeah. I think you need a manicure tonight. Are you sleeping? Night. Are you sleeping? Yes. Alright, so I heard.
Mom, I made A-I-BB.
Oh, nice. I heard that you, sir, took a wrong turn at Texas Roadhouse when you went to the bathroom.
I walked into the bar.
You walked into the bar? It sounds like a really bad joke.
So guys.
So, a Zane and an Ireland walked into the bar and...
No, it was only a thing.
Oh, it was only Zane,
I made
so...
another A.
You made another A?
I made a big one. So guys, Grandpa gives me his orange. There's salt all around it, and I didn't because he got it off his wine. Yeah, I didn't know. And so he gives me it, and it tastes disgusting.
Yeah.
Stop. It was salty orange.
So I heard you guys had something pretty amazing to eat while you were there.
Yeah. I made a B now. Now I made a B.
You had a giant hot dog, and what did you have,
No,
Ireland?
I said I had a hot dog this size.
Oh.
It's small. I had steak bites and fries.
Ooh.
Each.
You're making me hungry.
And guess what?
What?
Oh, if you're hungry. Guys, they asked me. Ice cream. So guys,
Just a little pink?
Yes. One piece of my steak. Oh! And the Minion girl who's dressed up at Texas Roadhouse, she helped me get by everything. I got stuck because there was too many people walking, so I couldn't get back to the table, and then she grabbed my hand and walked me back to the table.
Aww.
She knew where our table was because we took a picture with her. Zane walked to the table without me. I'm like, wait, where's Zane? Because I was going to the bathroom. I come out and he's not there, and I have to ask this vampire girl who's always at her table, and she always saw it. So I'm like, do you know where my table is? And she's like, no, and then she asks this boy, and then Zane comes up and like, I know.
So we are back at home. Matt's getting ready to make, I think, goulash for dinner. In this house, I'm like a bear. I hibernate when the weather gets cold. I've had no motivation to clean.
Come no.
And as you can see, it needs it. There's toys everywhere, shoes laying around, laundry needs done and picked up. So I'm gonna do my 5-minute pickups. I showed you guys that the other day. If you haven't seen it, check out the video. 5 minutes can make a difference. That's what I'm gonna do in here, is get some of these 5-minute pickups done and see how quickly I can get this house back in order. So let's do it. Oh, that doesn't go in his hand, honey. It only fit in your turtle. So you can see, I'm only part of the way done on the living room, but I took a little bit of time tonight with my 5-minute cleanups to put my bookshelf back in order. Oh my goodness. Anyway, what I was doing was working on a 5-minute cleanup of this. It's not completely back in order, but this is where we keep a lot of Aspen's toys that he plays with throughout the day. So I've got this back in order a little bit. Now I can focus on getting the rest of this done. Please don't make a mess after we're trying to clean it up.
No, I made a...
You know that saying it's like brushing your teeth while eating Oreos? Mm-hmm. Are you picking it up? Thank you for picking it up.
I'm not going to eat them. Please, can you?
No, you have to ask Zane. Those are his. What it looks like right now. This is what it looks like right now. And then, of course, the TV's on because why?
Lions are playing in about 20 minutes.
Yeah, it's Sunday night football and the Lions are playing, so that's what the rest of our night is going to consist of. When he's done with the TV, though, T and I are watching more ghost shows. Yes, Pootie. Yes.
You know, gonna come. I think about 7:40 we're gonna go sleep, and then 4:40 is gonna be late, and then we're gonna wake up at 40, and then it's gonna snow when it's late. So like. They won't
Okay,
be
if you
that
didn't
long.
understand what he said,
It'll
at
only be
4:40
that
we're gonna go to sleep, and it's gonna be late, and then we're gonna get up at 4:40, and then
gonna be
there's
light
gonna be
out.
snow. Why, son, are you waiting for the snow? Why?
Because the corn's not there.
Because then the corn's not there?
Yeah, you know why the snow is not really coming?
Why do you want the snow to be here?
Corn's not coming because I'm not in the tractor.
We're not in the tractors yet, yes.
But why do you want snow?
Because I love snow to play in.
You love snow to play in?
Yeah.
You better translate that for them.
Go ahead, Dad, give the translation.
So, I explained to him that they're in harvest right now, and as long as there's still corn, they're trying to get that harvested and in the tractors before the snow comes. So that's how he's judging the weather. When that corn is gone, he doesn't see it on the roads, then it must be gonna snow.
Zane, Zane, I totally saw you sneak underneath the camera.
You saw me doing the limbo?
I did.
I'm like this to the cord.
Hi guys.
Because I didn't touch
What
it.
are you doing?
I'm watching YouTube, the Nine Ellie Doll Show.
Yeah, that's like one of your favorites, isn't it? And who else?
I love Cookies Rosie and Bubble Pop Kids. And Dr. Squish.
Okay, shout out to a channel, Daily Bumps.
We know you love the Daily Bumps. You have been a Daily Bumps fan forever.
Ever since I knew about YouTube.
Alright guys, so Matt has been controlling himself. He's been very quiet during this game, and if you know anything about Matt and watching a Lions game, he is not quiet. But there's a reason he's being right now. Look at who fell asleep on the couch. He's got a fly buzzing over his head. Where do they even come from when it's this cold? But I had to turn on the camera and tell you, I'm not a Steelers fan. If you know me, I'm a Dolphins fan. Yes, I know, I'm a Dolphins fan. But the play by the Steelers in the game versus the Lions tonight, that was an amazing play. That was awesome. Who was it that made that play, Matt?
Roethlisberger threw it to Brown.
Yeah, that was an awesome play, I have to say. So, pretty cool. It's a good game so far. It's close. Because the Lions just made a touchdown, and then the Steelers just came back and made it. Oh, no, they made a field goal, yeah.
10-7.
I love you. Good night, Poot.